Okay, here we go on week 3. During this week, we will add another dimension to the idea of human variation. Last week we looked at human variation in terms of how it's presently scattered around all over the world in different environments. And this week we want to look at human variation through time. And we'll start quite a ways back. Like the human origin story really starts about 65 million years ago when the Earth was struck by an asteroid and it destroyed the dinosaurs, at least the large varieties of dinosaurs that existed then, and mammals too. So about the only thing that were left were tiny little mammals, like probably the original ancestor to primates and humans and so on was about as big as your thumbnail. But as we move on through the last 65 million years, which are referred to in geology as the Cenozoic, we move closer and closer to humans as we currently understand them. And like we talked about last week, there's about a 6 million year time period in which we are identifiably like modern humans. So we want to go over that ancient history, not in great detail, basically from about 35 million years ago when the primates appeared, and then we will go on down to the appearance, just the appearance of the genus Homo, which we're a part of, and we'll talk about that a little bit, but basically that'll be next week's topic. But this week we want to get this more distant background, what are the conditions that made us human? And what are the paths that constrained us from going other ways that we might have toward intelligent life. I've given you in the overview a brief synopsis of the changes in climate over the last 65 million years. This is important because climate really shapes these early ancestors and sets us up for becoming human beings. So have fun this week. Study your overviews, study the textbook, take your quizzes, and come up with some good ideas in your clan discussions that will make me interested and happy to study your work.